Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to enable split screen on a Windows 11 operating system by the simplest way. Windows 11 has a many inbuilt features and one of these is the split screen. You can split your screen in multiple windows, okay, and use it as, okay. You can use it here, and you can split many screens on your PC or monitor, okay. And you has to enable, if it's disabled by something happened to your PC and it is disabled, then you has to enable it. Then that is very easy. Just go to the start first and just type settings and click on the settings, okay. And in settings, here is the system, and just go to the multitasking. Here is the multitasking option, okay. And here is the snap window option. Just click on this arrow. This is defaultly off, or the off by your PC. Then just on it. From here it is off, then on it, okay. Then you can check all these features. This is very important. When I snap a window, show that I can snap next to it. Just check or select all these features on it and just restart your PC. And I just go to the here, okay. Now I want to snap it, so I just go to my screen, and when I see this box, then I release my mouse button, okay. Suppose I want to this Wikipedia, then I just go to the here also and release my mouse. If I want to mouse or my Photoshop, then I just go to the here, okay. Now it is snapped to next to it, okay. So guys, this is the simplest way to enable split screen on a Windows 11 operating system by the simplest. So guys, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.